It all started on the 14th night of March, the night of my parents' 20th wedding anniversary. It was a wonderful, sunny day, if memory serves. Surprisingly warm for the beginning of spring. The beautiful weather was perfect for the atmosphere of the day. Being married for 20 years is obviously a momentous occasion, so my parents had booked a table at their favorite Italian restaurant. Of course, this was a formal occasion, so I had my best suit on. It was 5:33, and I was just straightening my tie when my phone went off. I received a text message. That's strange, I thought. That never happens. I checked the message. It was from my mom. It was quite a jumble of numbers and letters, but through the vocabulary stewed, I could make out one legible phrase. "Please, help me." It should go without saying, this had worried me greatly, so I immediately text, "Are you okay?" Just as instantly, I got another text, which read, "Oops, pocket text." I signed with all the relief I had, and continued preparing myself. A few seconds later, I received another text. It was from my dad. I checked the message, and once again, it was a mass texture of letter and numbers with the phrase, "Please help me," concealed within. Creepy though this was, my dad was always a joker, so I presumed he was joking around until I got another text saying, "Oops, pocket text." Now this sparked panic, pure, unmistakable panic. Exactly half a minute passed, I received the same 2 text messages from my sister. This could not be a coincidence. It just couldn't. In a state of sheer anxiety, I started to run to the restaurant. I made it about a quarter of the way before I was stopped by a police officer.
"Main road closed,"
he said.
"Huge car crash."
This was the exact moment when I realized what just happened. I demanded to see the wreckage, a request which I was surprised I was allowed. When I got there, it wasn't the remains of the car that caught my eye, nor the flames building from the destructive vehicle. No, I was horrified to see the lifeless corpse of my mother, father, and sister. I asked for the estimated time of their deaths. All 3 of them were killed by the collision at 5:32, a minute before the very first text.